Hello everybody. So today I will talk about finance. The topic today is about compounding. So now I will show you how to answer. If $42,200 is invested at an interest rate of 7% per year, we have 5 years in here. So now I will show you how to answer question A to question D. About annual, we know that we have 42,200. We multiply by 1 plus 7%. This is about interest rate to the power of t, and we know that t that's about 5 years. This one we have 59,187.68. The next one, semi-annual. That means they appear 2 times for 1 year. This is about semi-annual. So in this situation, we have 42,200. We put about 7%. We divide by 2. And now about the years in here, we have 5 multiplied by number 2. And we have 55,527.27. Now monthly, that's about 12 times for 1 year. So we have 42,200. We multiply by 1 plus 7%. We divide by 12. About the years, we have 5 multiplied by 12. And we have 59,823.79. And this one is about daily. So 1 year we have 365 days. So I will choose about this one in here. This one we have 59,882.64. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.